60-minute candle chart, moving average, volume. The 60-minute candlestick chart for USDTARS reveals a notable interplay between price movements and key moving averages, particularly the 200-day moving average. Currently, USDTARS is trading slightly below the 200-day moving average at 1,215.8, suggesting a period of consolidation. The volume levels show periods of heightened activity, especially when the price recently touched the 1,216.0 high. A closer look at the trading volume reveals a surge at price dips, which might indicate accumulation at these levels. The 200-day moving average is showing a steady trend around 1,223.2, signaling that USDTARS could remain within this range in the near term unless there's a breakout on either side. With such stability, investors might look for further volume spikes to predict the next price movement. Relative Strength Index, RSI. Currently, the RSI for USDTARS stands at 54.28, placing it in a neutral zone. At this level, the coin isn't overbought nor oversold, indicating a lack of extreme market conditions. Historically, RSI values between 50 and 60 for USDTARS have correlated with stable trading patterns, though any upward movement in RSI above 70 could trigger an overbought signal, leading to a potential price correction. If RSI dips closer to 30, it might present an attractive entry point for buyers looking to capitalize on oversold conditions. Market participants should keep a close eye on how the RSI develops, especially as it approaches these thresholds. Stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator for USDTARS is currently showing a value of 81.69, indicating that the coin is in overbought territory. Typically, when stochastic levels cross above 80, it signals that a price correction might be imminent. Historically, USDTARS has experienced brief pullbacks after stochastic levels breach 80, followed by consolidation or minor dips in price. This could suggest a short-term retracement before the coin attempts another upward movement. Traders should be cautious of this signal and possibly wait for the stochastic oscillator to normalize before taking new positions in USDTARS. MACD and signal line. The MACD analysis for USDTARS shows a value of 0.4690, while the signal line is at 0.3595, with the MACD trending above the signal line. This bullish crossover is a positive indicator for the short term, suggesting that upward momentum could continue if supported by volume. Additionally, the MACD histogram is showing small positive bars, implying that the upward trend is still in its early stages. This might give bulls confidence to push USDTARS higher, though it would be prudent to monitor how long the MACD remains above the signal line before making long-term conclusions. Bollinger Bands. USDTARS is currently trading near the lower range of its Bollinger Bands, with the upper band at 1,217.39 and the lower band at 1,211.96. Typically, when the price nears the lower Bollinger Band, there is potential for a reversal, assuming no significant bearish sentiment. Historically, USDTARS has shown to retrace toward the median band when trading at such levels. A breakout beyond the bands could introduce higher volatility, but for now, it seems more likely that the price will remain range-bound unless there is a volume surge. Fibonacci retracement. Using Fibonacci retracement levels, USDTARS is currently trading around 1,215.8, which places it between the 61.8% and 50% retracement levels at 1,225.3 and 1,232.5, respectively. Historically, USDTARS has shown strong reactions around the 50% level, either bouncing off it or breaking below it to test lower retracement points. If USDTARS continues to struggle to break above 1,232.5, we could see a test of the 1,225.3 or even the 1,202.0 level. Investors should be mindful of these critical retracement levels for guidance on potential support or resistance zones. Daily candle chart and volume. 1 year, the daily candlestick chart shows that USDTARS has experienced gradual movements, with the price touching a low of 1,202.0 and a high of 1,263.0 over the past year. These key highs and lows mark critical resistance and support levels. Trading volume has remained relatively steady, with occasional spikes correlating with significant price movements, such as the recent attempt to break above 1,216.0. Over the past year, USDTARS has found support around the 1,200.0 region, suggesting that a break below this level could trigger a sharper downward trend. Weekly candle chart and volume, 3 years. The weekly chart for USDTARS indicates that the coin has been trading within a broader range, with significant resistance at the 1,260.0 level and support near the 1,200.0 mark. Over the past 3 years, USDTARS has respected these levels, with long-term price movements correlating with increases in trading volume. When volume has surged, especially during price tests of these levels, USDTARS has either broken out or retreated sharply. This historical data points to a potential long-term buying opportunity if the coin remains above the 1,200.0 support level. General review: analyzing the various charts and indicators for USDTARS, there is a strong sense of price stability within a defined range, particularly between 1,200.0 and 1,260.0. Short-term signals, such as the MACD and stochastic oscillator, suggest potential volatility, but long-term support remains intact around the 1,200.0 level. Volume trends corroborate this range-bound trading pattern, and unless we see significant shifts in trading activity or technical breakouts, USDTARS will likely remain within this stable range in the near future. Investors should remain cautious of overbought signals but may find buying opportunities on DIPs near the 1,200.0 level.